I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya. I'm super grateful that you're here as per always. So today we are trying out some more recipes from the Satvic movement food book. I have a soft copy version of that in my phone and I've made a similar type of video before. I will link it here in the cards. In this video we are going to make a Pina-Colada, that is a smoothie made of pineapple, and we are also going to make some Satvic tikkis with some dips. So if you're interested in some plant-based vegan goodness, then please watch this video. We are just cutting some coconut chunks for making coconut milk. The Satvic team never endorse anything packaged, so try and make your own coconut milk because it is so damn easy to make. Just blend some coconut chunks with some water and then use a nut milk bag to separate the milk out. I could not find my nut milk bag, so I am using a chunni here. Remaining coconut powderish substance, you can make a quick snack, just stuff it in the date, and this can be served as bites on Diwali maybe. Now for pina colada, it's time to cut some pineapples. In the blender, take the pineapple that you just cut, add the coconut milk, put a banana. I'm taking a frozen banana. If you don't have a frozen banana with you, then put a normal banana and some ice. Put some dates and blend it all in, and there you have it, a delicious glass of smoothie. So let me tell you that it's damn nice. Pineapple is something that I don't eat on a regular basis. Rarely I eat, but I really love the flavor. So this is something that I'll definitely going to make more often. I also tried some Satvic tikkis they had in their book, and I must say it is one of my favorite recipes from their collection. I made flaxseed powder. We will be using it twice in this recipe. We take some cauliflower. They also had green peas in their recipe book, but I didn't have it with me, so I skipped. We take some carrots, some capsicum, some coriander, mint leaves yani pudina, and some flaxseed powder which we just made. Green chili according to your taste, cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and some rock salt. Blend all the ingredients together in a mixer. It can be a little coarse, that way the tikki will look nice. I then took a bottle gourd and grated it. Remove the water from it. Add some salt to the mixture. Remember to add salt right before making tikkis because bottle gourd tends to release water if kept in salt for longer time. Mix everything together and now our tikki mixture is ready. Flatten it into tikki shaped size. Roll them into flaxseed powder. This is a mandatory step because we are making our tikkis oil free. Next time I'm thinking to add some alus in these tikkis because aloo make everything 100 times better. Comment down below if you agree and if you are an aloo lover like me. In the non-stick pan, cook the tikkis on medium flame until brown. You see how they are not sticking at all. It's because of flaxseed powder. Now let's make some dips. I have made 2 dips for these tikkis. First one is my favorite. If you like the khatta meeta flavor, then you'll love this one too. All I did is to take 1/3 cup of water, 10 dates, of course seedless ones, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and some rock salt, 1 green chili and blended it all up. For the green chutney, I took coriander leaves, mint leaves. They have also mentioned unripe mangoes, but again I had to skip it because I didn't have it on me. A tablespoon of cumin seeds, rock salt and a green chili. I really like how easy and simple these recipes are and they are totally guilt free. It all tasted so damn good. Highly recommend. I was like super duper hungry, so the plating isn't very appealing, but my tummy was very happy for sure. Next up, we are making a soup. This is a spinach singhara soup. Please remember to keep the flame low while doing this. Now puree the spinach till smooth. Now again put the mixture on low flame. I then chopped some singharas into little slices. Boil it for a couple of minutes and then turn off the heat. Added salt and pepper. Add some coconut milk right before serving and you're good to go.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.